Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Definite Learning. Today we are going to start a new poem Magnifying Glass from Class 8 English. The poem is about how a magnifying glass helps us see small things more clearly. So let us see the poem. With this round glass, I can make magic talk. A myriad cells show in a scrap of chalk. With this round glass here is magnifying glass. So the poet is talking about his magnifying glass here. I can make magic talk. So using the magnifying glass feels like magic because it reveals many hidden details. A myriad cells. Myriad means countless or many. Cells covers, you can say. Scrap is piece. So even a piece of chalk has many cells when seen through मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास. जब आप एक चौक के टुकड़े को मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास से देखते हो तो इसमें भी बहुत सारे कवर्स, बहुत सारी सेल्स नजर आती. Of but an inch of moss, a forest, flowers and trees, a drop of water like hive of bees. So of but an inch of moss. So even 1 inch of moss looks like a forest that is full of flowers and trees. एक मोस का टुकड़ा भी, 1 इंच का मोस का टुकड़ा, मोस होता है एक टाइनी प्लांट दैट इज ग्रोन ऑन वेट प्लेसेस, जो गीली जगहों पे पैदा होता है. सो an inch of moss looks like a forest that is full of flowers and trees. A drop of water like hive of bees. Even a drop of water looks busy and full of activity like a beehive when magnified. तो कहते हैं कि एक ड्रॉप वाटर भी बी हाइव की तरह लगती है जब मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास से देखा जाता है. I lie in wait and watch. The poet quietly waits and carefully watches how the deft spider jets. Deft is skillful. Nippon. Jets means releases or throughout. The woven web silk. Web silk threads, silky threads that are used in the web, जो इस वेब में यूज की जाते हैं, ये सिल्की थ्रेड्स. From his spinnerets. Spinnerets are special body organs through which it produces uh, these silky threads. अपना वेब बनाने के लिए ये जो सिल्की थ्रेड्स यूज़ करता है, तो ये एक स्पेशल बॉडी ऑर्गन्स होते हैं स्पिनरेट्स, जिनसे वो ये रिलीज करता है. So, the poet quietly waits and carefully watches how skillful the spider is. It produces fine silky threads to make its web using spinnerets. अपने spinnerets को यूज़ करके ये फाइन सिल्की थ्रेड्स को कैसे प्रोड्यूस करता है, ये सब देखता है पोइट. The tigress claws he has, and oh, the silly flies, the stumble into his net with all those eyes. So, the poet notices that the spider's claws look strong and dangerous like a tiger's. The flies are foolish because they do not notice the spider's web and get trapped in it. Those big eyes. Flies have big eyes, but they cannot notice the trap यूज्ड बाय स्पाइडर. जो स्पाइडर का जो ट्रैप होता है, उसने जो जाल बिछाया होता है, मक्खियाँ उसको देख नहीं पाती और उसमें फंस जाती है. आप देख सकते हो इस पिक्चर में. नॉट इवन द टाइनीएस्ट थिंग but this my glass will make more marvelous and itself surpass. Surpass means go beyond. Go beyond. Listen. Not even the tiniest thing, but this my glass will make more marvelous. So he is saying that there is no thing, there is nothing that cannot be seen through this magnifying glass, or cannot be made wonderful by this magnifying glass. कि कोई छोटी से छोटी चीज़ भी ऐसी नहीं है जिसको ये वंडरफुल ना बना सके. आप छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ की भी डिटेल देख सकते हो मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास से. Yes, and with lenses like it eyeing the moon, it would. This is the contraction of it would. Seem you'd walk, you would. You'd, you would, twould, it would walk there in an afternoon. So, with lenses like this, if we look at the moon, it would look so close that it feels like we could walk there. The moon would seem so near and clear as if it is easy to reach. जब हम मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास से या इस तरह के लेंसेज से जब भी हम मून को भी देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत क्लोज है और हम उस पर वॉक कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. हैव a nice day ahead.